In this video, we will look at a question, why should you use Squarespace? So let's dive right into the video. You should choose Squarespace because the content management is so easy on the website that you can add a new blog, post, video with just one or two clicks. So for example, when you need to edit your website, you just need to click on edit and then you can drag things around for editing. You can add new blogs, you can edit your section, you can change the background of your section, you can add a blank new section as well. So all of this editing is so seamless that makes Squarespace unique from its competitors. You can change the design of your website as well in just few clicks. First you need to go to design and then click on site styles. You can change fonts, colors, you can choose from already made color family. And here in the preview you can see that all of the changes are happening live. Now let's go back and look at font section. Here you can choose from font packs. You have sans serif, serif and mixed. So I like the go for one. You can see in the preview that the font has been changed. And when you are done with all the changes, you just need to hover your mouse on the top left and click save. The other benefit of using Squarespace is that you get a mobile version of your website from the Let Go. You just need to click on mobile on the top left. And here you can see that the mobile version is available. Now let's go back to our dashboard and I'm gonna view desktop view. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I will see you in the next one.